Hey guys, it's Medicosis Perfectionalis, where medicine makes perfect sense. Today we have a crazy mnemonic about JC virus, and we have an analogy between JC virus and JC Penney. Is that creative or is that creative? Now let's get started. First, let's talk about JC virus, then I'll tell you about JC Penney, then the mnemonic. JC virus is a DNA virus. What are the DNA viruses? In a crazy song, it's called Pox, Herpes, Hepatina, Parv, Pep, Polyadena. This song, these are the DNA viruses. I got this from Help HIPAA, which is a famous YouTube channel. It's great, by the way. You should subscribe. Pox, Herpes, Hepatina, Parv, Pep, Polyadena. What's pox? This is the pox virus, herpes virus, hepatina, parvovirus, papillomavirus, polyomavirus, which is today's topic, and adenovirus, which causes conjunctivitis. Polyoma, JC virus is in the Polyomaviridae family. We have two members in this family, JC virus and BK virus. JC virus will cause something called progressive multifocal leukoencephalopathy. This affects the parietal lobe, occipital lobe, and the cerebellum. That's why JC, mnemonic, jolted cerebellum. BK is bad kidney because it affects kidney, especially in transplant patients. This JC virus is non-enveloped. You can say naked, although this sounds slightly inappropriate for a microbiology lecture. JC virus is double-stranded DNA virus, which is not shocking because all of the DNA viruses are double-stranded except for the freaking parvo. Parvo is single-stranded. The mnemonic is easy because parvo literally means small. It comes from the word called parvus. JC virus is circular. Now this is a shocker because all DNA viruses are linear except hepatina, papilloma, and polyoma. These three are circular. It's icosahedral, which is not shocking because all of the DNA viruses are icosahedrals except pox virus. It replicates in the nucleus, which is not shocking because all of them except pox replicate in the nucleus. It does not require polymerase in order to be infectious. You can say it's self-sufficient. T lymphocytes normally fight viruses. Yep, we got it. Therefore, patients with HIV who have deficiency of the T lymphocytes will have a problem attacking and fighting viruses. That's why patients with HIV may develop reactivation of JC virus. JC virus will lead to progressive multifocal leukoencephalopathy. The name has the answer. Progressive, because it worsens and it's rapidly fatal. Multifocal, because it's more than one focus and more than one lobe, maybe. L is leukoencephalopathy. Pathy means pathology. Encephalopathy, encephalo is the brain, so brain pathology. Leuko means what? It means white. I mean demyelination. There are two chemotherapeutic agents. The first one is called rituximab and the second one is called natalizumab. When you see the word mab or the suffix mab, it means what? It means it's a monoclonal antibody. Rituximab has a great mnemonic 2, so 2, and X is Roman numeral number 10. So 2 times 10 equals 20. That's why rituximab is a monoclonal antibody against CD20 B lymphocyte. That's why we use rituximab also for rheumatoid arthritis, because rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease. You have auto antibodies attacking your joints. And when you have a monoclonal antibody against the B lymphocytes, now you cannot form plasma cells, you cannot secrete autoantibodies, and hence it mitigates the symptoms. These two immunosuppressants can suppress your immunity. They can suppress your T lymphocyte. When they suppress your T lymphocytes, you are more vulnerable to JC virus progressive multifocal leukoencephalopathy. Now let me tell you about JC Penney. He has a great story. And a great mustache, by the way. James Cash Penney. Oh, Cash. Now I'm slightly disappointed with my parents. Why didn't you call me Cash? But I would have been rich by now. But you know what? My friends would have made fun of me of high school. Oh, your name is Cash, ha ha ha. Who's your father? A steak oil salesman? Ha ha ha. JC Penney was born in Hamilton, Missouri, USA. I do not know where that is. See, folks, he was not born in Hollywood, was not born in Manhattan or Silicon Valley. His father was a farmer and a preacher. He made little JC pay for his clothes when he turned 17. You gotta work. If you want to live here, son, you gotta pay for stuff. And that's how J.C. Penney learned to scratch every penny. I know that's tough. He is old school, but it worked out. Oh, I disagree with him. Wait until you hear the rest of the story, Jeffrey. Life is not a snapshot. Life is a video. J.C. Penney later will become a multi-bazillionaire. I don't like that, Daddy, said the father whose children are broke and they live in his basement at the age of 35. Call the ambulance and cry me a river and give me a break. He was the 7th of 12 children. 6 of them died before adulthood. So for those of you who say, in America today, healthcare sucks. Well, as compared to what? J.C. Penney wanted to be a lawyer. His father died, so he dropped out. He could not become a lawyer. And I'm sure he said, what's the purpose of life anyway? But instead of sucking on his thumb and dwelling, he went to work. Do you want the secret? It's called work. Then he began moving west. He went to Colorado. He worked for some guys there. First, J.C. Penney's store was in Wyoming. Then he went to Des Moines, Iowa. Actually, the correct pronunciation of it is moine because it's a French word that means the monks. But if you dropped the E, now it's called moi, which means less, like the lesser trochanter. Ha ha ha. Les moi trochanteur. My French is awful. I don't know what to say. I'm multilingual and multifactorial. I don't know what to say. Then he became philanthropic. This is a beautiful word. What does philo mean or philic? Philic means lover. That's why we have hydrophilic and lipophilic, lover of water and lover of lipid, respectively. Anthropology, 2 words. Anthropos, logos. Anthropos is humans. Logos is the study of humans. You know, some people go $200,000 in debt to get a PhD in anthropology from Harvard, only to end up working at Walmart. Speaking of Walmart, this guy, J.C. Penney, trained young Sam Walton on how to wrap packages with a minimal amount of paper and ribbon. Also, Sam Walton started as a store clerk, and then he became a multi-bazillionaire, the owner of 2 chains, Sam's Club and Walmart. Shame on people who shop at Sam's Club and Walmart and they do not know where the name came from. Like even the manager at my local Walmart does not know where Walmart come from. Walton, Mart, Sam's Club. This is not rocket science. Speaking of Walmart, I went there someday to get a loaf of bread and it was enriched with vitamin B1, which is thiamine, vitamin B2, which is riboflavin, niacin, which is vitamin B3, and folic acid, which is vitamin B9. But yesterday I got it for 50 cents instead of 60 cents, so I'm so happy. I gotta scratch every penny, man. But when I went to J.C. Penney's store, I had a horrible experience. I went there to get just a towel and a pair of socks, and the store clerk wanted me to sign up for a credit card. No, thank you. I'm on Dave Ramsey, baby step 1. I'm better than I deserve. Some words of wisdom. There are many examples of people who, painfully aware of their backwardness, decided that enough was enough and that they were going to improve their lives, and some succeeded tremendously, said the great Thomas Sowell. So, Thomas Sowell himself lifted himself out of poverty. J.C. Penney lifted himself out of poverty. Rose Blumkin, also known as Mrs. B, lifted herself out of poverty. Thomas Edison lifted himself out of poverty. Henry Ford lifted himself out of poverty. Jack Ma lifted himself out of poverty. So what's your excuse, Carol? So what are you waiting for? There are no shortcuts to any place worth going. There is no hack, there is no secret, there is no tip, there is no, like, the 10 secrets that are gonna jolt up your brain. Shut up. Now to the mnemonic. JC virus versus JC Penney. JC virus is a DNA virus and JC Penney became philanthropic and donated a lot of money. JC virus is a DNA virus. Please be specific. It's a polyoma virus, and JC Penney is a philanthropic because he donated a lot of money, so my mnemonics are interconnected. It's non-enveloped. It's a naked virus, and JC Penney started in poverty with no clothes. Double-stranded DNA. Des Moines, Iowa. He trained some molten. Now we have two famous billionaires, so D for double. It's circular. Yeah, his name is James Cash Penney. And you know, money circulates. Icosahedral. He was Christian, so you can say cathedral. Replicates in the nucleus with no need for the polymerase. You can say it's self-sufficient. JC Penney is a self-made billionaire. T lymphocytes fight viruses. He was an entrepreneur. And when the T lymphocytes are not there, such as patients with HIV, you get leukoencephalopathy. He wanted to become a lawyer. And when leukoencephalopathy, it destroys the parietal and the occipital lobes. P.O. box. Like, he was rich, he can afford to open up a P.O. box. Rituximab and natalizumab can lead to leukoencephalopathy, which is fatal. So, he died in New York, natalizumab and rituximab in February because PML is freaking fatal. On MRI, you see demyelination, but it's non-enhancing. And of course, it's multiple because it's called progressive multifocal leukoencephalopathy. His childhood was dull, demyelinated. It was non-luminous, so it was non-enhancing. Don't forget that JC virus can affect patients with HIV when the CD4 count drops below 200. For HIV, remember that JC Penney was born in Hamilton, Missouri. Okay, medicals, no, you see, I see your point. Thank you so much for the video, but this is too much for me. Okay, Snowflake. Here's an easier mnemonic for you. JC Penney was a freaking nerd. JC virus. Penney, polyoma. Nerd, N, natalizumab. E, HIV. R for rituximab. D for DNA virus. And demyelination at the P.O. box. This is parietal lobe. This is occipital lobe. Thank you so much. I don't want to hear any whining. Here is JC virus again. Please pause the video. Take a minute to review it. Pox, herpes, hepatina, parvpep, polyadena. Show me a store clerk with goals, and I will show you a man who will make history. But show me a man with no goals, and I will show you a store clerk. JC Penney. I've ruined the entire video. I'm sorry. Speaking of a store clerk, I would appreciate it if you go to my online store. You can get 60% discount of my antibiotics course. Just use the promo code antibiotics60. Please help me make history. The website is medicosisperfectionalis.com. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so sorry that I yelled at you. Forgive me. Please subscribe, hit the bell, and click on the join button to literally join the tribe. Follow me on all of these platforms. You can support my channel on Patreon or PayPal. If you want anything, just send me an email. And this is my website. Please go get my antibiotics course and you will find lots of goodies and lots of free stuff, by the way. Thank you so much for watching. As always, be safe, stay happy, and study hard.